Hello, welcome back to Supercoolclues YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at a clue about how to make a word bold in MS Word. We are going to look at the simplest method to do that. What we are going to look at is you have a document. It could be a simple document like this one with just simple few lines, with one line saying this is bold, this is italic, this is underlined, and you want it to change to the same document with this, but you want the word bold to be bold, and you may be interested also to make the word italic or underlined to be underlined. The way to do it is simply do the following. Open Word, MS Word, the usual way. On my computer I have Word 2016. Double click here, then Word opens. You click on a blank document, so we're going to use a blank document, so you make it bigger. Just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to make this one bigger, so you have something like how to make a word bold, just to ensure that it's seen properly. Let me make it a bit bigger, if not very big. Okay, let's leave it at that. We have line 1. This is bold. This is, and you're interested to make the word bold. So what you need to do is you have to click here at the beginning of the word so that that blinking cursor is seen here, and then holding the left mouse button, you drag so that you can highlight or select the word bold. Then you come here in the ribbon. This is the information at the top of the screen. Look for font and look for something called B. If you put your mouse on B, you'll see that it says make your text bold. It's making the text italic, making the text underlined. In this case, we are going to click on bold. That makes this one bold. Number 2, you can say this is italic. This is underlined. Underlined. Oh, we don't have a fourth, so the same way we did the bold, you click at the beginning so that the blinking cursor is at the beginning of the word. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to highlight the word italic. We are not making it bold, so we choose italic, so you click on I, and voila, it's italic. Similarly for underlined, you select the word underline, so you click here, hold the left mouse button down and drag to highlight or select the word underline, and just click here to underline. As usual, you need to save your document. You can simply click here, save the document, and it will ask you where you want it to be. You browse to the folder you're interested in putting the document. Most people would put it on desktop, but just to be a bit slightly different, I'm going to put it in a folder called H. I have a folder there called Supercoolclues. That is where I'm going to put that document and save it. That is how you can simply make the word bold. As usual, if you want to see more tips and tutorials and how-tos similar to this one, you need to subscribe to Supercoolclues channel if you are not yet subscribed. Remember, subscription is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. $0, 0 yen, 0 euros, 0 pounds, 0 naira, and 0 Uganda shillings. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please come again and watch more similar videos.